One detail can change the way we look at an ancient mystery. Today, that detail is this TAIPEI Times AMD to promote packaging ecosystem by AMD had closed its billion acquisition of Xilinx, gaining not just adaptive computing IP, but a deep library of advanced packaging techniques, interposers, hybrid bonding, silicon bridges. It cannot experiment with new packaging configurations easily because each change requires TSMC's engineering resources. It cannot bring smaller partners into the AI chip game because those partners have no access to TSMC's packaging lines at all. The pattern is clear. Proprietary packaging gives first-mover advantage, but open standards win in the long run. It failed in high-performance computing because the ecosystem fragmented. TSMC's argument, which it has made privately to analysts and customers, is that open packaging ecosystems risk quality and yield. If AMD succeeds, it becomes TSMC's equal not just as a customer, but as a competitor in the packaging layer. AMD was opening this advanced chip packaging technology to the world. They were publishing reference designs for how to stack chiplets vertically, how to bond them, how to route signals between them. TSMC, the world's most advanced chip manufacturer and the dominant force in advanced packaging, said nothing. The conventional wisdom in Silicon Valley was that AMD was a zombie company, too broken to die, but too weak to matter. But Su saw something the industry didn't. You could, in theory, build a chip that was not just cheaper, but more flexible. NVIDIA dominated with its monolithic GPU dies, but AMD saw an opening. The result was a chip that delivered times the performance per watt of its previous generation. But here's the detail that matters. For the story we're retelling today, AMD was one of TSMC's biggest customers for advanced packaging, specifically for TSMC's CoWoS technology, which stands for Chip-on, Wafer-on, Substrate. NVIDIA, AMD, Google, Amazon, every major AI chip designer is dependent on TSMC for advanced packaging. It cannot scale AI chip production as fast as it wants because TSMC's CoWoS capacity is constrained. AMD is not just opening its packaging technology out of altruism. By publishing open standards for chiplet interconnects and packaging processes, AMD enables OSATs like ASE